Wetin day today, guy? How na day? Today na another laptop I come bring come show now. This one na Yipo. This one no get name, no be name brand. But be like say the thing may make sense well. I just get am this night now. And from this Chinese online retailer na I buy am from. This one na Yipo laptop. Very affordable. Under £200 na I pay. I can't really remember how much I pay. But I feel like say na under £200. Very affordable laptop. If you look for something way cheap, will look like MacBook, you know that Apple MacBook now way the expensive well. You know, if they look for something like that, I beg now this one be the next level, you know. See, it did very advanced, and I in the run with the stand, you know. I think mentioned for example my first video say I go to do plenty review now. They run with and the thing they do very fast now, it make sense, you know. See they see it load quicker. I don't try to delete some things now. Everything they run smooth, you see. The Windows application. This one now Windows 10, and as the laptop take be terrible now, the thing still they run some update. You know, it they do some update in the background as the thing they go now. But on a good day, this thing na better laptop. Oh. The good thing we I like about it is na 4 gig RAM in get 4 gig RAM for the memory take they run. And the storage, the storage that 30 now, no 32 now 128 in get for storage. And this is not too bad. They go good well for students. Person maybe say they go school now. Say they go school, they take they go. You just later you take your homework or your assignment now. And they go good for business. So you just want the type letter now. See just want the type letter they print them, they type they print. This kind of thing go better for now. And he can't get memory card. If that memory never do you now, if you buy memory card now, come put that here now, you support memory card, put that memory card. This one now the micro HDMI, this one if you connect that to your TV. This one now the USB. Maybe say we just plug your USB drive now, you know, flash drive, take download some data now put. Now 2 USB, you get one for yourself. You can't get micro 3.5mm audio jack. This one thing say we only listen to music, I no want to disturb your neighbor. Just put your earphone for there. Everything go collect. The laptop there, alright. Anyway, as I just, you know, I tell you, I just tear am tonight, man. I still see the plastic for the front now. So I go still do more video on top this kind of thing now. So this one, me I just see as they go. I don't try everything where I supposed to try, and everything they work well, you know. The speed of the internet itself, it makes sense well. But when I check the speed. When I check the speed for the internet, they give you like 30 megabit bit per second. And that I'm see the thing fast well. So as they go, the price for this thing now 170 something I pay for this thing. Now 170 something I pay for the price. As you go, so if you look for something where you say you don't want to tear your pocket now, you know, just want to manage yourself. Say money no too, you know, money no too plenty like that. It's just one use of it make sense well. And you don't mind name, and you don't mind say they copy Apple because this one are correct original Apple copy, this one a MacBook copy, everything from the beginning to the end, and then na MacBook then copy. If you don't mind something like that now, this one good for you now. I've been waiting now. This one don't do you now. Unless if you compare this one, carry and compare all these HP laptop, maybe say then they sell for market, all these things. Maybe say they can't do the same level. So say they do say Pico level, just not this na Pico laptop. Oh boy, you go to pay around 250, 300 though. Now the thing is now so big. You go to pay around 250, 300. But if just one do your own level, your own parole, say you know too much, you know too loud down, say you know too get carry this one, you no go regret them. Now so they be. Not too much to talk for the laptop. The sound quality, everything there, I don't test them. Everything there. Now even play songs, say me na hear for yourself. See say the thing they make sense well. When I talk am. So you go yourself go come listen to the music now, go listen to the sound quality. Now you go take judge yourself. Whether the thing now totally make sense or no make sense. All these no-name brand them sometimes they try. But the fear we see people they always they look say okay because no be HP, no be this, no be there, no be this. No be so. Sometimes all these no-name brand stuff they make sense well. I say they just enter market now, they go on impress now, they go on do something we say people would like. And I never see their brand before. I never seen this Yipo laptop, I never see their brand before. Oh yeah now, take the music, they pull on your body now, see how the sound they cool now. go listen to the music, make yourself judge for yourself whether the sound good or not. Now you go tell me now. So as you go now, you don't dey hear now. Does it say no be say my mind? And if you carry this kind of thing, you know, carry am for market, carry, nobody go know say you carry, you know, if you carry the waka for road, nobody go know say na this kind laptop you carry. They go even think say na Apple they use. So on top that matter, on top that level now, be like say you say don't hear the music well well, you don't see the thing in dey make sense. So na so e be now. Wetin man go do? Man no go payment now. So on top the matter, na the laptop be that. The name na Yippo. If you wan buy am, Yippo thing, Yippo 57 something. I no even know that name. And for the back, you can see say the back sef in dey comot like Apple logo. If you dey familiar well with Apple logo, notice say Apple logo for back in the on light. Use yourself the on light. The thing make sense, sha. If you close am, see as e be. See as e be. You don close am be that o. Very tiny. See as e be. Oh boy, this thing make sense well well. If you think say na wetin good for you, abeg buy am, because me I don tell you my own opinion on top the matter. So na so e go be now. Make una take care now. I go dey see una for my next video. Oya na. See you later. Bye.